I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CSCS. First, understand the exam structure and content areas. Next, gather all necessary study materials, including the official textbook and practice tests. Then, create a realistic study schedule that allocates sufficient time to each section. Finally, consistently use practice questions and full-length exams to assess your progress and identify areas needing more attention. This systematic approach will help you prepare effectively. The CSCS exam is divided into key sections. Begin by mastering the scientific foundations, which covers anatomy, physiology, and biomechanics. Dedicate significant time to exercise technique and program design, as this forms a large portion of the exam. Also, understand the principles of organization and administration, including facility layout and legal considerations. Lastly, become proficient in testing and evaluation methods to assess athletic performance accurately. To maximize your study efficiency, engage with the material actively. Don't just read. Take detailed notes and summarize chapters in your own words. Create flashcards for important definitions, formulas, and physiological processes. Consider joining or forming a study group to discuss complex topics and quiz each other. Make sure to revisit challenging areas frequently, perhaps 2 or 3 times a week, to reinforce your understanding. Practice is crucial for success. Take several full-length practice exams to familiarize yourself with the format and timing. After each practice test, meticulously review every incorrect answer to understand why it was wrong and learn the correct information. Try to simulate actual exam conditions, including time limits and a quiet environment. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest and maintain good nutrition in the days leading up to your exam for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.